Y'all gotta hear how this exhaust sounds before we change this muffler, bro. It's havoc. This is a cold start too, bro. I ain't start this shit all day. Oh, I don't do cold start revs, y'all, but yeah, it's not bad. Bro, today, why did I decide to crack my glass? Oh my goodness, bro. What a bum. Oh my goodness. That cam. That cam, boy, that cam hit it. That cam hitting, boy. That cam is hitting. Yeah, we got the chopper right now, bro. I'm about to cut my exhaust off. Damn, I ain't know there's gonna be some leaves back here, but we are on our way over here so I can cut this chop off. So I'm about to be cutting it like right here. So let me get to it. Like the catalytic converter thieves. It's supposed to be cutting. Maybe I need to use two hands. I try to be clean, but y'all, it just kept breaking. Look. I don't know if you can see. Hold on, this thing hanging on, but it just snapped off like. Alright, so yeah, it keeps snapping off, so I gotta clean that up, of course. I don't know why I did that, literally. But I gotta take this off over here, and then we're gonna take this on the inside so I could get this side cut, and then I could do whatever to the other side. Yeah, so there's our muffler. Right here. It's just blown out. Yeah, that's just cooked, bro. And I don't even know if this is like rusted in or this is all like old, bro. Blown out. The move. So I don't know how fragile that is. Hey, just know that that's cooked. That's cooked. Surprised the other side didn't break. Alright guys, so we got that chopped off. I'm gonna show you guys the mock-up in 1 second. I done scratched my hood. Yeah, I'm on this part. I'm gonna try to get y'all a little bit of this. It's not the prettiest, I'm not gonna lie. But this is my first weld and it's mine. It's definitely mine. It's not the prettiest, don't get it. Not the prettiest, but it's mine. At the moment. That's how my shit's looking. Yes, sir. It's not the prettiest, but it's mine. It's definitely ugly. Y'all gonna fry me in the comments, bro. But who you know trying it, bro? Who you know out here trying it, doing it, you feel me? And we finna get better. Hopefully, like, we gonna see how the year progresses, get my own and all that. We gonna see, Alright, y'all, I'm just working on flipping it up. It's a hard job for those. Alright, y'all. So here my shitty welds at. I did break the glass in my car. I'm really mad about it. I'm gonna show y'all. My phone is on a tripod right now, but boom, I did that, trying to fit all my stuff in here to basically try to, see if I can go home, pull something up, hit the glass. Mind you though, it was cracked right here and right there, but it didn't even start spreading yet. But I hit it because I was mad after and seeing if it was able to spread, and it was. So, and it's still spreading right now too. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to get this glass changed. So we'll be doing that right now, right about now. So it's unfortunate, but it is what it is. I don't know if I could get like a good thumbnail of it, but right now, but shit happens. I know y'all hear this motherfucker in the back. As things will be, he's tuning in and shit. But yeah, right now I'm gonna be on my way to go get this fixed, and so I can fucking leave like next week. So just staying tuned, y'all. We about to get a cold start. A little extra. She's so cute. Wink, 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 wink. Everybody loves the Miata. She's so cute. Y'all, I'm looking geek. This shit look good as fuck. My other one was definitely ugly and had some cracks in it. So I'm lucky happy that it's just new. I'm lucky geeked. You see my face? I can't stop smiling. Guys, we are trying to do a U-turn so I can go to the exhaust shop. Hopefully they don't charge me more than like $50, man. I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna get there, y'all. Alright, it's right here. Nice little thing over there. I don't know where to put it. Just park it right here, I guess. Cause I don't know where to put it. But we right here, we're in the muffler shop. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. The mug is going up. No muffler. Muffler. So we're getting it done right now. Must. Damn, I just realized too, I should have probably just showed him pulling in and shit, cause he just had to pull in and do all that stuff. Y'all could have heard him before with somebody else driving or whatever, but it's cool. That shit was low-key quick as hell, bro. Walking out the shop, he's getting put down already, so. And it's there. We're gonna get that first start up. Yes, sir. Bottomed out, even though, bro, this bitch stock as fuck, bro. Ain't gonna stay that way, bro. We bottoming out right now.